morning, beautiful curl friends. Today I have a jam-packed day that I didn't even know was going to be jam-packed. I am off work today. So what we're going to be doing is I am going back to the gym, of course, for day 2. I'm doing a class and I'm doing a class for the Army. Sorry, y'all. I just woke up and I'm still kind of tired. And I have to go do some paperwork for that. They didn't text me about that till this morning. And also a couple lashes fell out last night. Not because of her, completely because I just had to go to the gym yesterday. Even though you're not supposed to get them wet for 24 hours. I probably got like sweat in my eyes. So she's just gonna be so courteous to fill in a couple spots. Somebody asked me on my Instagram story yesterday, did I pay for her services? And the answer is yes, I for sure paid for her. I found her on Instagram myself. I DM'd her. I did not tell her I was an influencer or a YouTuber until I got there, because I asked her, could I get some footage for VLOGMAS? So yes, I for sure paid for her services. I think it's important to pay for services that you want. Like, everything doesn't have to be free just because of the context of what I do. So yeah, that is on period poo. And so I'm going to head to this place for the class to do some paperwork for them. Then we're going to go to the gym. Then we're going to go to our lash appointment. And then your girl adulted correctly. And we're going to go get my oil changed and my car detailed today. And let me show you guys this workout outfit. Yesterday's workout outfit was from Aerie. I don't know. Well, I do know. I didn't tell you guys because Aerie is all over it, so I thought it was self-explanatory. But then somebody asked, so I was like, oh, kind of forgot to tell you. So this one is from Aeropostale. You guys, I buy workout clothes from everywhere. But I went through a phase where I only wanted to wear colorful workout clothes, so I would go to like kids stores to get them, and I would just get them in like a large size. Look at that, a lash right there. Okay, so I'm gonna get out of here. Oh, and also tonight we're going to be editing today's VLOGMAS to upload, and we're also going to be taking my hair out because I'm wearing my fro for the entirety of my leave. Leave is what in the military, leave is like when you take days off, paid time off. It's called leave. So for the entirety of my leave, I plan to be wearing my natural hair. I am going to take wigs just in case. You know, you never know how you may feel. But for the most part, I plan to wear my natural hair. So I need to deep condition her, love on her, because I've had these braids in for, it'll be 4 weeks, I think, tomorrow. Yeah, so let's get started because we're kind of in a rush to get everything done today. So the wig is off because I'm gonna go to the gym. Today's workout, now I have learned, like, I need to start reading them before I leave the house, but today's workout required a jump rope and resistance bands. To be honest, I feel like this is a workout that I could completely do at home, but I think it would be better for me and my discipline to do the workout in the gym. So I'm going to go, and I'm at the gym right next to my house. They close at 12. I mean, not at 12, they close at 1, and it's 11:40, so I'm going to go home, grab a jump rope and resistance bands, and come back and do my workout in the gym. My lash appointment to get my touch-up will be around 1:30, so I will work out from like 12 to, I want to say like 12 to 1. I'm trying to time this right because I need to be at the oil change place at 3 for sure. Like, that cannot be moved around. So what I might do is 3. How long does it take to get your oil change? I have to get my car cleaned today. but I'm going to figure it out. And I'm gonna go get my car cleaned now and then see about the workout later. Go ahead. I'm gonna go get my car cleaned now and see about the workout later. If push comes to shove, I will do the workout in my house, but preferably not. So I'll let y'all know. So I know this Vlogmas day was weak sauce, but I actually had another video that I'm super excited about finishing editing, and I did a takedown for my hair. This is basically like Snapchat story worthy, but I could not miss another Vlogmas day because there's only 10 more days in the month, for real, realistically, not even. And so I need to make sure that I stay on it. So please forgive me for this super choppy, super all over the place Vlogmas, super short Vlogmas. But tomorrow you guys will have a quality video that's going to be posted on time. But it's now 8:30, and if I don't get it up now, it won't go up. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one with something worth your while. Okay?